everyone, so in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of a graphic tablet by Huion. So this graphic tablet is coming with an awesome high quality package. So here on the top you can able to see the graphic tab. So now let's check what other things are available in the package. So here we go. So here you can able to see a USB-C to A dongle, and here you can able to see some nibs for your stylus and the paper, which will share you everything about how to use the tool. So yeah, this is the stylus which contain two buttons which will be helpful while doing your artwork. So this is the graphic tab. Just look how simple it is. Here you can able to see the entire material is created using plastic, and you can able to see some smudges, some oily smudges on the tab when you are touching on it. And while writing, it's pretty much good. If you are a cartoon artist or doing something like drawing or any other kind of thing, it will be going to one of the best investment for you. I will give you the link of the product on the description so you can check it out.